Welcome back to LaShenny21Nails. The theme for our Nail to Friends collab was chosen by Brenda, and these are the beautiful manicures that we prepared. Carito, Maria, Monse, Nego, and I joined in this month. Check the description box where I'll leave links to their videos, and if you're coming over from one of their channels, welcome and I hope you'll stay. For my base, I chose this gorgeous shy nail polish called Chocolate Mocha. I'll be using these 3 stamping polishes, 2 from Beauty Big Bang and 1 from Maniology called Fireside. I'll choose images from these 2 Ejiubas stamping plates. To start off, I want to try to get the cactus from this image without getting the skull. I applied too much black polish and the scraper card that I was using wasn't firm, so I had to scrape several times in order to pick up the image, but it turned out pretty good. I'll pick up this image from the second plate. Once I have all the images, I can fill them in with the green polish. I'll use the red polish for the flowers, but since they're so small, I'll have to use a dotting tool. Once the images are dry, I can stamp them onto each nail. To seal in the design, I'll use my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. I want to give it a matte finish, so I'll use my Sally Hansen matte top coat and see how it looks. Let's wait for it to dry. These are the final results and I actually love the matte look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!